Cosa Nostra, Ricky, CT, where we be, yeah. Bitch, I'm back with that really raw shit. I see they still got that really soft shit. What she took got the really nauseous. Come and see me, bitches think I'm gorgeous. Ugly motherfucker, black dicky, black hoodie on. She's in the back, got her friend in the front. Both annoying me, asking me where we going. Told them don't worry, I'm about to put you on. CT, I'm 5 minutes away from Yukon. I told her take her panties off, keep her shoes on. I got a nice little loft where we do songs. I told her that I'm gonna fuck her, then move on. Yeah, this that really, really raw shit. I wanna fuck her raw, cause she really gorgeous. We ride Chevys real, we don't fuck with Porsches. I'ma park this bitch up where these whores live. Take this, hold that, you know that, we need that, you know that. I can't go back to jail or rehab, everything in rehab will just